Today I have a Ford Bronco and I'm going to show you how to open and close the windows on a Ford Bronco. I'm going to show you how to turn on the window lock as well as how to turn off the window lock. All right, but before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and open up the windows. Now, with the Ford Bronco, you would think that the operation for opening the windows would be on the door. However, in the Ford Bronco, this particular model, that is not the case. The actual window controls are down here, and they put them upside down almost to where you can see it right here. So I'm like in the middle console, and you look right here. This right here controls the driver's side, okay? The driver's side, this controls the front passenger side. This one right here controls the rear behind the driver's side. And this is the rear behind the front passenger side right here. And so these are the controls. Now to roll them down, I'm going to simply take whatever window I want to roll down and take it and press down on that. And you see the window opens on that side. I could do it right here. Now it's important to note, see it just like that. And then the rear windows as well. And when I want to roll them up or close them, I just go like this, all the way up, pull it back like this until they get all the way closed. Do the front passenger and then that side. Now, in order to lock the window so the passengers in the vehicle cannot open or close the windows, what I'll do is press this right here. And when that light is on, only the driver can open and close the windows. Only the person in the front seat who's touching these controls can open and close the windows. All right, so only the person using these controls can open it. Now, if I press this, it turns it off, and the people in the back seat can open and close their windows at their discretion right there. All right, so that is how you open and close the windows in this particular model of a Ford Bronco. For your particular model Ford Bronco, please read the owner's instructions or owner's manual so you know how to operate your particular vehicle. Thanks a lot for watching.